Assalamualaikum and good morning my dear lovely students. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and safe at home. I am your nursery teacher Miss Anam from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johor campus, and I am here to teach you English. Today we are going to learn about sound, a new sound, and we will do reinforcement of all the previous sound. Okay, let's recall all the previous sounds we have done before. Look at here. Which sound is this, kids? This is sound A. And what comes with the sound A? Apple. Yes. Now tell me which sound is this? This is sound B. Ball. Ball. Well done. Which sound is this? Car. Car. Okay, now which sound is this? This is sound D. Door. Door. Okay, now next one. Which sound is this? This is sound egg. Okay, the last one. Which sound is this? This is sound fish. Now start from here. A. Repeat after me. B. K. D. E. Well done. Now we are going to start a new sound. Let's look at here. This is sound G. This is sound G. The sound is G and the capital of G is called G. This is letter G and this is sound G. Repeat after me. G. Okay kids, now I have some vocabulary here. Can you see all these pictures? What is this? Yes, grapes. This is grapes. Okay. What is this? Guitar. This is a guitar. Well done. What is this? Glass. And what is the beginning sound of all these objects? Let's repeat. Grapes. Grapes. Well done. Guitar. Guitar. Glass. Glass. Well done. Okay, now we are going to trace this sound. And which sound is this, kids? This is sound G. Let's trace with me. Make a curve. Go up. Come down and make a round. This is sound G. Make a curve. Go up. Come down and make a round. Do it once again. Make a curve. Go up. Come down and make a round. This is sound G. The sound is G and the letter is G. Okay kids, now I will show you how we can write sound G in between these four lines. Now watch me very carefully. This is your starting point. What you have to do, you have to make a K in between these two lines. Make a K. Okay. Then go up, come down and make a round. Which sound is this, kids? G. Let's repeat here. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. This is sound G. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. Sound G. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. This is sound G. Okay. Can you tell me how many things you have in your home with the beginning sound G? Go and find some objects in your home with the beginning sound G. Gate, gift. And you must be having some animal toys like goat, like gorilla, So the beginning sound of all these is G. Well done, kids. So go and find things in your home. Okay, kids. I hope you learned the sound which I told you. This is sound G. Well done. And I hope you learned about all the previous sound we have done before. So let's revise one last time the vocabulary of sound G. G grapes, G glass, G guitar, G goat, G gorilla, G gate, G gift. Like we have so many things with the beginning sound G. Okay kids, as we are done with the introduction of this sound, we are going to trace a sandpaper of this sound. Can you tell me which sound is this? This is sound G. Yes, this is sound G. We are going to trace this sound with our two fingers. Let's do with me. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. Yes. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. This is sound G. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. Do it once again. Make a K. Go up, come down and make a round. This is sound G. Okay, now I will show you what you have to do in your workbook. Okay kids, in your language workbook on page number 15 and 16, you have to do your homework of the sound. Which sound is this? Sound G. And the letter is G. Well done. What you have to do, you have to trace this hollow sound. Then you have to color in these pictures. Read with me. G gift, G glass, G grapes, G gate. You have to trace these hollow sounds and then you have to write in between these four lines. Make a K, go up, come down and make a round. And you have to do with the proper formation. Like make a K in between these two lines, go up, come down, touch the last line and make a round over here. You have to write the sound with proper formation in your workbook. Okay kids, now this is your sample copy. You have to write in your copy with this pattern. You have to draw any object with the beginning sound G, like I have drawn G grapes. And on this page you have to write sound G in between these four lines with proper formation. So kids, you have to do your work very carefully with proper formation and very neatly. Now we are going to meet in next video. Till then you have to take care of yourself, wash your hands frequently, wear mask and use hand sanitizer. Allah Hafiz kids.